Today projectors have become more affordable than ever. Apart from packing more pixels, they are feature-rich with technologies that help project brighter, colorful images and better details. 4K is an industry standard in film production that allows filmmakers to shoot high-quality images. Bringing home a 4K projector will allow you to watch films as the director intended, while retaining colors and finest details which you might miss otherwise. To help you find the best projector suited for your needs, we've compiled a list of top 5 budget 4K UHD projectors under Rs 6 lakhs. These models will allow you to enjoy the benefits of 4K projection while still being cost effective for your home theater setup. Before we go ahead, if you wish to learn more about 4K and why you should upgrade to a 4K projector, click the link in the right hand corner of the screen. If you have already seen that video, let's jump right into it. The first in the list is the JVC DLA N5. This is the premium grade 4K UHD home theater projector from the legendary Japanese electronics brand. The JVC DLA N5 projector incorporates all-new 0.69-inch native 4K DILA device that refines planarization and reflection efficiency to achieve higher contrast and brightness. The projector can produce high-definition native 4K resolution of 4096 by 2160. At the heart of the projector is a 17-element 15-group all-glass lens with a 65mm diameter to project fully focused 4K native resolution to all corners of the screen. Combining a brightness of 1800 lumens with a dynamic contrast ratio of 4:1, the projector reproduces lifelike images for latest content like HDR10 and hybrid log gamma. HDR10 can be projected with optimum quality with auto tone mapping function, which automatically adjusts the settings based on the mastering information. The projector lamp has a life of 4500 hours in low mode. The JVC DLA N5 is priced at an MRP of Rs 5,99,900 at the time of the recording of this video. Second in the list is the BenQ W5700. This DLP projector sports a native 4K UHD resolution of 3840 by 2160 and can easily deliver 1800 ANSI lumens brightness. With this projector, you can display Ultra HD and 3D content and enjoy Blu-ray, video and HD broadcasting in beautiful high contrast quality without any downscaling or compression. At the heart of this projector is a high-resolution 11-element 6-group all-glass 4K optimized lens array that allows greater light penetration for amazing color performance, clarity and sharpness across the entire screen. The projector incorporates BenQ's projector optimized HDR10 with HLG technology, DCI P3 color space and a 1:1 contrast ratio to deliver incredibly rich colors, deep blacks and realistic images with outstanding details. The short throw lens lets you achieve a 100-inch screen size with a distance as little as 3 meters. That being said, you can get a maximum projection size of up to 200 inches. The projector lamp has a life of approximately 4000 hours in normal use. The BenQ W5700 is priced at an MRP of 2,99,000 at the time of recording of this video. Third in this list is the ViewSonic X100 4K. With stunning 4K Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 resolution, 2900 LED lumens brightness and REC 709 compatibility, this projector also integrates smart features including Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Featuring built-in Harman Kardon speakers, the projector is a great addition to your home entertainment setup. With support for projecting screen sizes up to 300 inches, this projector uses the latest solid-state LED technology that is free of mercury, lamps and filters. The LED light source provides over 30,000 hours of usage while consuming less than half the power of a typical LCD TV, thereby lowering the total cost of ownership. The ViewSonic X100 4K is priced at an MRP of 3,85,000 at the time of recording of this video. Fourth in this list is the Epson EH-TW9400. The projector sports a native 4K Pro UHD resolution, a 16:9 aspect ratio and can easily deliver 2600 ANSI lumens brightness for sharp image quality and amazing color consistency. The projector incorporates Epson's innovative 3LCD technology, a high 12:1 dynamic contrast ratio, 4K enhancement technology, 3D with full HD, and HDR to deliver incredibly rich colors and the deepest blacks. For smooth, fast-moving actions in movies and live sporting events, the 4K projector is integrated with a host of frame interpolation and detail enhancement technologies to reduce motion blur. The projector lamp has a life of approximately 5,000 hours in eco mode. The Epson EH TW9400 is priced at an MRP of Rs 2,77,999 at the time of recording of this video. The last in this list is the BenQ TK850. This DLP projector has a 4K UHD resolution of 3840x2160 and can easily deliver 3000 ANSI lumens brightness with authentic HDR color. BenQ's exclusive HDR Pro technology enhances the 4K HDR viewing experience with a high contrast range of 30,000:1 and dynamic iris for sharpness and better detail. The TK850's 4K optical system uses the highest grade glass for superior realistic image quality. Sports mode enhances video quality with realistic skin tones, balanced outdoor blues and greens, and warm wood grains for indoor sports action. The integrated motion enhancer technology eliminates laggy images, jittery playback, and blurry shadows. It also features easy to adjust images with 1.3x zoom ratio, vertical lens shift, and auto vertical keystone, integrating an immersive 3D experience with resolution up to 1920x1080. This projector is a great choice for cinephiles. The projector lamp has a life of nearly 4,000 hours in normal use. The BenQ TK850 is priced at an MRP of Rs 2,99,950 at the time of recording of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.